Let me ask you something. Have you ever had a day where you wake up planning to get everything done, but somehow you end up doing absolutely nothing? You look at your to-do list, you feel a wave of pressure, and suddenly your brain is like, nope, not today. So you grab your phone, scroll for a few minutes, and before you know it, the whole day has disappeared. And then you call yourself lazy. But here's the truth people never tell you. You're not lazy, you're overwhelmed. And overwhelmed brains don't move, they shut down. I learned this the hard way. One afternoon, I sat down to work on something important. My laptop was open, the document was right in front of me, and still, I couldn't start. I kept saying, I'll begin in 5 minutes, then another 5 minutes, then another. Nothing changed until I tried something ridiculously simple. I told myself, just do this for 5 minutes. That's it. Not finish it, not perfect it, just 5 minutes. And what happened next surprised me. Once I started, the resistance disappeared. It felt almost effortless. Those 5 minutes stretched into 20, then 30, and eventually the work was done. That's when I realized something powerful. Starting is the real battle, not the work itself. When your brain thinks a task is big or stressful, it tries to protect you by avoiding it. That's where procrastination comes from. But when you shrink the task down to something so small, so easy that your brain can't argue with it, you bypass that resistance completely. 5 minutes is small enough to ignore fear, but long enough to build momentum. Before you try this, make starting even easier. Do a quick 2-minute reset. Put your phone somewhere you can't reach it, clear the clutter around you, open only what you need to work on. When everything around you feels simple, starting feels simple too. And here's something else. Don't wait to feel ready. That moment never comes. We like to believe motivation will magically show up, but motivation only appears after you've already started. Action creates motivation, not the other way around. Also, stop trying to start perfectly. Start messy, start confused, start with a rough idea. The goal isn't perfection, it's movement. Because once you're in motion, even imperfect motion, your brain automatically wants to continue. That's why the 5-minute rule works so well. It replaces pressure with progress. So the next time you feel stuck or you catch yourself procrastinating, don't ask, how do I find motivation? Ask, can I give myself 5 minutes? 5 minutes is small enough to begin, but powerful enough to change your entire day. And if you repeat this daily, you'll be shocked at how much your life transforms. If this spoke to you, make sure to subscribe to DailyShift for more simple, practical strategies to boost your productivity, master your time, and take control of your future.